Bobby Adams world. Don't worry, everyone, I got my script here today. But we have a absolutely gorgeous 1956 Ford Sunliner convertible. This is one badass car. It's fully restored from top to bottom, and I did get it out of an estate. Yes, I did. Another one. Guy had a killer collection of cars. Not a bunch, but everything he had was really nice, and this is no exception here. It's an awesome car. I mean, the guy spared no expense building it. It was done right. Now, what I love about this is, like, you see so many Tri-Fi Chevys, but you rarely see Fords. And I've owned a few of these now, like these Sunliners, and I'm really falling in love with them with the swoop and the chrome and everything. I mean, this is totally unique. No one else is gonna have something like this because you rarely see them like customized like this. And it's very tastefully done. It's got, it's a pretty fresh build because it's got like 900 miles. Let's see, wait. No, 9,000 miles. Okay, well, it's been driven a little bit. 9,000 miles, which is good because the thing drives really nice. When I bought it, I was told the motor is fresh. It's got a blown 351 engine in it with dual quads. So it looks like a 671 or 871 blower. I'll show you it closer. Dual quads, it's estimated like 700 horsepower, 3-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, full air ride suspension, leather interior, power seats, tilt wheel, full sound system. I mean, the thing is like turnkey, ready to go. I mean, to build this car, you would easily be in the 6-figure mark, over 6 figures. Then you got to supply the car. For this quality of car. I mean, the paint's absolutely gorgeous, two-tone white and red. I mean, a good paint job these days is like 30 grand, 30, 40,000 starting. All the chrome is redone and gorgeous. It's got updated headlights. It's got the torque thrust wheels. Everything is done to the nines on this thing. Just a very well restored car. So, I mean, like, it's basically built for street show or strip. So, which is 100% true. It's got the right fuel system and everything for the blower, custom tank with a custom fuel pumps and the upgraded air radiator and cooling system. I mean, this thing was thought through and through. Power windows. And I do these videos for basically a condition report, and we can walk around it, but the car is basically flawless. The paint is show quality. The chrome and trim has all been redone. And again, show quality. You got a little thicker wheels in the back than the front with the torque thrust. Again, the 4-wheel disc. It does have skirts that come with it and painted, but they're not on the car because the wheels are a little fatter. But they do go with it. Power top. The thing sounds badass. We'll hear from it shortly, but all the lenses are like new. I mean, the fit and finish is gorgeous. It came out of California. I'm pretty sure it's a California car its entire life because it looks totally rust-free. The whole underside's super clean. You can kind of see the aluminum gas tank back here with the right fittings. It's got all new upgraded Stewart Warner gauges, I believe. Yeah, all good gauges. Custom center console. Really kick-ass sound system in it. Power top, but even like all the dash is show quality done. All the trim up here is beautifully done. I mean, they did not skip on anything. Push button start, tilt wheel, billet wheel, leather wrap steering wheel, seat belts all the way around. All new window felts, all the glass is beautiful, all the trim around the glass is already done, all the vent window chrome's redone, all the weather stripping around the vent windows is redone. I mean, all new glass rubber. I mean, this was a total build. What I'm trying to say is no expense was spared. Actually, we're gonna pop, since we're up here, Again, I usually go around the car showing flaws, but there's nothing to show you on it. So it's basically, the car's a 9.5 out of 10. I just took it was still in an estate, and even though it had very much test miles, they told me, I spent to a really good shop in town. I spent like $3,000 just going through everything, tuning it up, just making sure everything is perfect. They one little oil leak they fixed, but it is totally ready to go. One of the best shops in town. You can see it's got aluminum heads, aluminum intake, Holley carbs. It's got a little field blower, BDS racing. You can just see the detail under here. I mean, just the details just over the top. Whirlwood brakes, all hard-lined for the power steering. I mean, this is like over-the-top stuff. Hard-lined cooling hoses, which is crazy. All billet. Everything's just finished off beautifully. Got a really fitted air radiator that's all aluminum. This huge radiator in there, custom fitted with a custom fan. I mean, just the detail is just awesome. Even the bolts they put are the right bolts. The finish on all the engine parts is all first class. Yeah, to build a car this quality is not cheap. Open the doors, you can see the jams, all the weather strippings, all new, all the leather, custom leather door panels, sill plates are brand new. It's got real leather seats. Oh, I have the power shut off. It's got the power kill switch in there, but all the seats work, all the gauges work. You're actually hearing the air compressor airs itself up. And there's red mats under the black mats. Basically, the black mats protecting the red mats. All the gauges work. Some really cool stuff too. So everything is hidden underneath here. You got the stereo hidden here, your heater controls. This is like turns on the electric fuel pumps and everything. It's all hidden there. You have your, glove box. You got your timing retard, your boost retard, all the power window controls. Then you got your air ride controls, your automatic cutoff, the remote for the stereo. All this all custom, all done in leather. The back seat's all done in leather. This is all custom. And I have pictures of the top up. It's actually the right material that an actual 56 Ford would have, which is a little different than a GM canvas. Oh, this is, well, since this is down, you can see it's got a high-end amp. This is all for the stereo. Actually, I was looking at that earlier, taking pictures. So then this all pops back in there, and that just hides everything. So it's all finished off. You got there's 2 batteries, an extra battery here. There's more stuff in there. This is another blower lid if you want a different look that can go on the car. It's all finished off nicely in there. You go over here, check it out, all the custom, see how clean it is. All the jams are nice. Custom kick panels. So next we will take it for a spin. So for startup, you basically open this. I turn the power on here. I click on all 4 of these and then hit the button and it starts right up. And the car kind of sets its own level when you start it. You can set all these settings and it has like what everything is. And then the shifter, it's a kind of a ratchet shifter. And you can go for like different looks. If you want it jacked up, you can get that look, or if you want it on the ground. It's really cool with that blower sound. So here's the stereo, sounds amazing. Radio sounds amazing. It's just a very fun cruiser. This is a car like I would keep myself, honestly, if I was doing a collection, because it's so unique and so nice, and it's just fun to drive. I mean, it's an awesome car. So if you're interested, have any questions, call, text, email me, message me. It is in Scottsdale if you want to come view it, take a look at it. I do these videos so you don't have to do that. And shipping, it can definitely help arrange shipping or put you in the right contact with people for shipping. Other than that, it's an awesome car. Do not miss out. And remember, bid on it. So if you're looking to sell a classic car, or even considering selling a classic car, click the link below, tell me what you have. If it's one car, two cars, a whole collection of cars, someone left you a whole estate of cars, memorabilia, anything like this, tell me what you got. I'd love to check it out. I may be a buyer myself, but for the most, you'll get a free appraisal. I'll tell you what it's worth, depending how fast you want to sell it or what you want to deal with. I'll tell you where to go to get the most money, or the most I'll pay for it. So again, click the link below, tell me what you got. Bobby Adams World, don't forget it. I'm on all social platforms, and I really look forward to seeing what you have. Thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next one.